Alright, we're working on the Case 1070 Agri with the dual 3100 loader on it. And we're getting the third hydraulic cylinder built. It came off here. Same one as that one right there. And that's the tube port right here. And right now I have it completely torn down. So let's go take a look at that. I got everything off of the shaft now. I don't have soft jaws, but I do have shop rags, so I just use the rag in my vise to keep it from scratching while holding it in place. And I have the seals out here in correct order. These two go together, these go together. This was here, and that's the O-ring there that goes in that groove. And these four are in the correct order, and they came off right here. Alright, and I used the seal picks. It was really mainly this one that I used the most, but these two. And to get the sleeve off, I gently tapped it off this time. And I used, let's see, I did use my ball peen and this, but obviously you can't get crazy. I just kept gently tapping it and I got it to come off. So I think we're gonna call that good, and it was definitely a good place to share some video with you. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.